All right, so some of our fun things that we like to do when living like locals is we like to always try to do VRBOs, Airbnbs. This one we got at cottages.com, and I don't know, one of our other videos you can, see the tour of it and everything. But one of the things is we always call the secret handshakes is just learning all of the equipment and the appliances in Europe when you're over here too, especially when you're still a little jet lagged. We slept, well, it says that we slept 10 hours last night, but still a little bit tired and everything this morning. But let's go through a few of these things today and let's see if we can figure out the secret handshakes. So a couple of things in Europe. Over the last few years, they've actually changed for the coffee. They've changed to more of these little K-cups sort of things that they have here, which is quite nice. And I'm not a coffee drinker. This is for Todd, so this is pretty good. So let me show you how to do this. So typically what happens is you fill this up with water. You put the pot in like so. I put one in already, but you put it in usually like this. So therefore it's going to puncture here. Then you close it back up, put your coffee cup in. So they usually have here little cup, big cup. Little cup is more espresso, big cup is the larger one here. So you're going to just press this down, press, in their case, the big cup. So apparently this is big cup, but there's not as much in it here, but that's the big cup one. So Todd tends to drink a little bit more of those. We did, as you saw in our other video, we got cream here, or we still, at least we think it's cream. It still has the cow on it, so we're good, and it seemed to work. They don't have cream over here similar to like we do in the States, like your coffee mate cream and all that sort of stuff. So typically, a lot of it, what they use is just normal milk. They have bigger ones, but milk tends to be their go-to here. But this is the cream one here. So we try to look for something that looks like a cream bottle. Make sure it doesn't have a goat or sheep on it. It has the cow. And you're usually in pretty good shape. All right. So for those that are tea drinkers like myself, the one thing I actually love about Europe is they have an automatic thing to heat water pretty rapidly. So it's actually pretty cool. So what you do here is, usually it's always on the top. You just open this up. You fill in the water. We always buy bottled water. I think you can drink the tap. It's just something that we do. So we do buy bottled water. But we just fill this up however much you want, and you can go all the way up to the top, or you can go here, and then on the side here it usually shows you how many cups you have put, so you can fill it up to the top. The more that you put it up on the top, the more longer it takes. Basically you just press this button here and it will boil pretty rapidly. A lot of places, especially here in Scotland and in the UK, they do already have pots for you, and you can put your tea in there, and you can have it steeping in here, and you have tea, and it does for a few cups, or you can just pour your water, directly into your cup, add your tea bag, and you're ready to go. This is probably one of my favorite things over here. I should get one in the United States, but I don't know why I don't. A few other things in the kitchen with a lot of European places, especially again, and probably that we're in Scotland right now, but in the UK in general, and sometimes in Europe, they're very energy efficient here. So if your plugs are not working, look on the plug itself. A lot of these places have these switches on and off on each individual plug. It's kind of pretty cool because you can turn things off pretty quickly. And again, energy over here costs a lot of money. So what you have to do if you're like, why is this plug not working? Take a look on the plug itself and see if there's an on and off switch here. And all you got to do is flip it on or flip it off.